So hey guys, welcome back again. This is me Tudu, and in this video we are just going to see how actually we can install an open SSH server in our Ubuntu and access it from our Windows terminal. So let's start this. So first of all, we have to just upgrade our repository. So that's command is sudo apt and wait for some times and it's get updated. And then our next command is sudo apt install open SSH server. Okay, press Y to continue. So it is install our OpenSSH server. Now let's check if our SSH server is running or not. So for this command we have just install sudo systemctl. Sorry. Okay, so our SSH service is running. Okay, press Ctrl C to quit. Okay, now here is the thing. Ubuntu comes with a firewall configuration tool that's called UFW. So we must have to allow our SSH through this UFW and open the port of our SSH. So what I have to do, we have to just type sudo UFW allow SSH. Okay, rules update and SSH and has been allowed. So now let's go back to our Windows terminal and let's see if we can SSH to our this VM. So what I have to just first we have to need our IP address. So just type ifconfig. Okay, and if this ifconfig tool not working, then use this is sudo apt install net tools. It will solve your issue about that problem if ifconfig is not running on your Ubuntu. So here is our IP address 192.168.23.130. Okay, now let's open our Windows terminal. So here is I just open Windows PowerShell and now we're just going to SSH onto this VM. So how to start? We have to type SSH and then my username is to do at the rate we have to just type 192.168.23.130. Okay, and if we are everything good and we're ready to go. Okay, this is connection time out of swing and this is going to. Okay, for this reason we have to just go to this location.ssh because I have already SSH this, so I have to just delete this SSH configuration file. Okay, so after deleting all that, if I just have to enable SSH and yes, this is actually working. Yes, and password for to do and to do in here we are. So what if you just get anything wrong about this actually, just go to this location and delete that .ssh folder and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe and like this video and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.